All right, first day of the trading week and second day of the month. First trading day of the month. We got a couple good plays, a little more action today. Let's see here. I want to make this a little quick. I don't have much to go over. I didn't watch the market a whole ton after 10 o'clock. Jesus Christ. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna do it out of here. This is my daily watch list. If you go on packapunchtraders.com and sign up, you for $40 a month you get this daily. I'll update it throughout the day too. This top part I get notes. This whole bottom part is gonna be my whole watch list. And we had a couple of good plays today. First one I want to go over is EVK right here. Let's start with that. That was the one I made money on. Could have, should have, would have done better, added more size, but let me get into this. So we got this former runner, kinda. It's got a history of spiking. It does have some overhead resistance in the 480s, 490s. We just call it 5. We'll end up to the nearest whole dollar, half dollar amount. So I was watching this whole morning for a potential pre-market high break. Right there, over 485 for quick play. And then looking for a late day for a reclaim of high day break, holding VWAP. So point is, it moved so fast I did not get the size I wanted. Even though I could have added in here, my average was 470. I got 500 shares at 470. And that was just so lucky. That was the luckiest entry ever that I got my whole size. I had my order at 480. Just clicked it right away when I saw it perking. I was looking for a open price play here. Looking for after I saw how this worked out in the morning. That plan I made, it was all pre-market. But when the market opened, I saw that it was holding up here, and it was failing to break down. We got a low float, low market cap, taking off. It's got news, I'm assuming. Yeah, here we go. Oh, yeah, got a buyback program. Okay, yeah, that's good. So I was just looking for that 446 reclaim, and it just blew right past it, and it blew past that high day at 455. So next place was 485. Got taken at 470, got 494 and 491, something like that. Then it got halted. I thought we were gonna get a huge gap up. I thought momentum's just perfect. We should be gapping up, touching 6. So I got all excited, changed all my limit orders and everything. Got it set for 6. Then it just gets smacked in the face. The high is like 505, but I still held just to see how it holds up. Is still holding the pre-market level, pre-market high level, and volume came in some more, and we got a little extra perk, which I sold into 550 when it didn't really get the momentum I wanted. But my only mistake I see that I did here was not size up in this mess right here. I had a solid 5 plus minutes where I could have slowly added, even if it wasn't a whole ton of size. I could have probably worked my way up to 800 shares instead of 500 if I didn't want to go the full 1,000. But this is totally deserving 1,000, less than $5,000 on the trade. And yeah, we get that quick move up, and then that was kind of just that, really. We'll see if tomorrow we get a continuation, previous high daybreak. But that was my trade today. 17%. My runner-up, which I missed, was DLPN. Just a beautiful open price reclaim. Failed to break down. Low float, low market cap. It's what's the sector? Communication service. Wait, yeah, whatever it's called. Okay, so it's got NFT news. This is an NFT play. Got that recent run when NFTs were hot, and then as we can see, it died off, and we're finally getting some volume today. And it just failed to break down, and from this point on, I was just looking for a 962 break, and we got that and a bunch more. Could have traded it over the pre-market high break when it consolidated in this mess here, but I was really liking the 962 break to lead to the break of the 10s. I forgot what the high was at the moment in the morning. But yeah, 962. You get one opportunity here for a quick dollar plus, a little over 10%. Then it comes back and confirms it. Holds VWAP. Volume still coming in. Fails to break down. Shorts expectations just completely wrong, and that leads to this spike. So I do think we're gonna gap up. I think we could probably touch 15, but that was the play for me. But I didn't. I was able to trade it. I was running some errands, had to get a oil change for my car, dog grooming appointment. So I was a little busy today. So I took my snipe in the morning. That was that. But I checked in on this just to see how it worked out. And it was nice to see that pattern I've been really working on recently tracking is pretty good. I past few weeks we've been getting a couple good open price plays, and late day they squeeze nicely. And this morning we can also consider EVK as an open price play when it came back and reclaimed that. So definitely gonna add these to the spreadsheets, and we'll find our pattern. We'll find the best entry, how to risk it, and I'll definitely make a video on that in the future. But then besides that, those are really the only plays that I saw. Besides that, actually there was BTBT. Totally missed it while I was focused on EVK. But we got a nice 9.4 breakout, and this one wasn't my favorite because I've said before I just hate Bitcoin. I just got burned by it last year really badly, and just bitter taste in my mouth, and I'm done with them, kinda. But still nice to watch, see how they move, learn from them. So this was my plan going into the morning. If Bitcoin is moving, I'll look for that 9.4 breakout, and I'll only be buying the dip buy, confirming it, and because I don't want to risk it, I want to see the confirmation of the break. 9.5, 9.4, right around here. So yeah, we get this nice move in the morning. Not much more after that. We'll see what Bitcoin does, but another one right off the watch list. So yeah, not a whole ton today, just a little more action than usual. And I'm hearing my dog. I don't know if others can hear this, if the computer's getting it. I'm sorry if you can hear that. But I'm just doing this in my car right now. So while I have some time, it's been a busy day. So yeah, there's the main plays. We got a couple more plays, some more action in the past couple weeks. Kind of nice. We'll see if it continues. It's on first day of a little momentum shift that I've noticed, or feel rather. But yeah. So, AHPI, that's another one. So this one, choppy. I'm so glad I'm still waiting for this to break the 1150s. Definitely have a profit angle here. It's ran over 50% in the past 2 trading days. But it's got a lot of resistance here in the 10s. So, and I think it's got a bunch of overhead resistance, which is why it's so choppy. And we get these quick perks where shorts get squeezed, but then they regain momentum. It is still holding up. It's got this solid uptrend. I'll be looking at it all week to see how it plays out. Low float, low market cap. It's a mask play, healthcare play. So definitely a good watch for this week. See if it breaks that 1150 level. But as of now, it's just a waiting game. So yeah, that's kind of my day, my trade, day in review. And yeah, we'll just keep doing the same thing tomorrow. Hopefully something better sets up. Then I had EVK today, so I could get some good size in it. Besides that, yeah, just rinse and repeat. Keep looking for my patterns, and that's the day for it.